welcome back to the show. It is time for one of my favorite segments here in Northwest Wichita at the Northwest Shopping Center near 13th and Tyler at Stutzman's, one of their beautiful garden center locations, with Ben. Ben, thanks for being with us today.
Thanks for being here.
Yes.
You know, we've had an amazing season, and as we've come past Memorial Day, the garden centers sometimes look like they've just been through, just riddled with, stuff.
Yeah.
And so we open up to our managers, all our locations. They may refer to me as to what, I think about something that they want to do. But we have a manager special. And basically what it is, it's their choice of things that they would like to promote. It's funny, sometimes it may be a color.
Yeah.
Today, maybe it might be everything red. It might be everything itty petunia. So, and it changes from day to day. And it's not something that necessarily that our staff really promotes or advertises, or it could be, but it's just something that they just have a lot of fun with.
Yeah, and you guys have garden center locations here in Wichita, but all over the state. So each one you'll see a different special.
Absolutely.
Yeah, that's pretty awesome.
It's funny though, sometimes our managers, because they're all linked together very well and just love, bouncing ideas off. But once in a while you'll have a couple that'll say, hey guys, let's do this together.
Yeah.
And on a certain thing. But main thing, we want them to have fun. They've come through spring, and just been running crazy. And so to do something that they just really enjoy and have fun with and promote to their customers, love to have them do that.
Yeah, and so like you said, every time is different. Maybe it's red, maybe it's hanging baskets, whatever it is. But here, I mean, you even just have so many options, whether they're on sale or not.
Absolutely, absolutely. But the special obviously would be, something on sale.
Perfect time, yeah.
But we just like to, well, it's also, it's something that the managers can promote to their customers because they get a lot of repeat customers.
Yeah.
And just interact and have fun and give them deals and things like that.
Yeah, and so how long will this manager special go on?
It will vary, usually for a week or two at least.
Okay.
And once we get on into summer, there'll be a whole new crop of plant material that comes in, which we often refer to as our heat-loving plants.
Okay.
And it's varieties that really do handle our summer heat, where we get up to triple digits.
Yes. Oh my gosh.
And they may have some specials with some of that stuff also.
Okay. Yeah, I can't believe we're moving into June already, Ben. If people want more information about anything going on at Stutzman's, how can they find that?
Always go to Stutzmans.com. Follow us on Facebook.
Yeah.
But if you have a question about anything particular, Jason French, who does our Stutzman's Home and Garden Show every Saturday, just his email is questions@stutzmans.com, and he gets back with you quite rapidly.
Yeah, he is awesome.
He's awesome.
We love working with Jason. We love working with you too, Ben. Thanks for being with us.
Awesome. Thank you.
Yeah, make sure you come check out this location at 13th and Tyler, or any of their garden center locations with Stutzman's. We'll be right back on Good Day Kansas.
The preceding portion of Let's Grow It is sponsored by Stutzman's.
It's been so wonderful to receive the much-needed rain and watch our landscapes flourish this spring. Hi, this is Ben Miller. On behalf of all of us at Stutzman's, I want to thank everyone who has shared our passion and the healthy lifestyle of gardening with us. Be sure to visit our garden centers, as each location will be featuring an in-store manager special of their choice. We'll see you at one of our 12 garden centers in central and western Kansas. Find us on Facebook and Stutzmans.com. Happy savings.
At Stutzman's Greenhouse, everything's green.